In this video, I want to show you how to download DeepSeek AI and install it on your system. I use DeepSeek AI as a tool in my mapping operations, and it has helped me to carry out different analysis by integrating it with GIS softwares like QGIS, ArcGIS. I've done so many brainstorming tasks using DeepSeek AI. So with DeepSeek AI, there are so many interesting things you get to know as you follow my videos update from time to time. For you to install DeepSeek AI on your system, you ensure your system is connected to internet and search for DeepSeek. So we have it here, DeepSeek. When you search for DeepSeek, you click on this first site, DeepSeek, www.deepseek.com. So you click on it. Now after you click on that, you click on start now. You can either log in with the phone number that starts with +86, or you log in using your mail. I will suggest mail for you because not everybody has the country phone number +86. Okay, so with your mail you are good to go. What you just need to do is to click on login with Gmail. You click on I confirm and you agree to the terms and conditions, then you click on login. So a code will be sent to your Gmail. So you open your Gmail, you provide the code that was sent, and you paste it there. Now after you sign up for that, you're going to come back to this page here. This is where it's going to land you to. This is the site now. So for you to install this app on your system, you click on these three dots on the right hand side of your system, and you bring your cursor to this cast, save and share. So we have this here. It says install page as app. So once you install this DeepSeek AI, as you can see here, it says install this page as an app. Yes, that's what we want to do. We are going to install that now, and I'll click on install. It has been installed. So we have this. Would you like to pin DeepSeek into the taskbar? So for you to do that, this is it. When you want to pin it on your taskbar, you can see my taskbar. If I want to pin it, I'll click on yes. If I want to pin it, I'll click on yes. And if I want to remove it from the pin, I will unpin it through here, through the taskbar. I will unpin it. I'll click on unpin. So when you check on my desktop, this is it. It has been installed on my desktop.